They're playing slaps. Go.
I thought it was called firecracker.
Firecracker.
Firecracker. Whatever.
That's my turn. Look at this.
You can't really tell. All you see is orange.
Okay, let's do it.
Hit it hard. No, not you. I mean Matt.
My turn. Stop it.
Matt, you like fudge. Matt, you have to hit it hard. You can't give in to the pain. You have to be like, yeah.
Don't hit me that hard.
Good slap. A good slap. Like a
Good.
like a spanking. Close your eyes. That didn't hurt, Matt. You do it harder.
Bad.
Harder. Harder, Matt. Harder. Matt, do it harder. Harder, Matt. Harder.
That's super hard.
Matt, hit her hard. This is for that time she slapped you on your face.
Not super hard. Not super hard.
That didn't hurt.
Okay.
Matt.
Look at my hand, my God.
Come on. Matt, come
Do
on.
that.
Go, Matt.
I'm playing firecracker with you. With you. And Sarah won't.
Do it hard.
Not super hard.
Yes.
That was a nice sound, but
It was
That
a
was
nice
really
sound.
probably wasn't that much of an impact.
That was really good.
Matt. This is gonna be the best one. Just do it.
Not super hard.
Yes.
Hannah's hand is turning orange. Mine's turning red. Look at that.
Because I'm tan and you're white.
Okay, Matt.
I can't hit her that hard. It's Hannah.
Hit me good, but not super good. Okay? I trust you with my hand.
It's not gonna be good. It's not.
Matt, come on. That was not good.
Okay.
Matt, Hannah, you have to calm down on Matt. You're hurting him.
He hasn't. Okay.
Matt, don't hurt him.
Looks like he has really bad sunburn.
Leave him alone.
Slap him. You let him slap me really hard.
He didn't slap you really hard.
But you're telling him to.
But he's not listening.
That's because I'm not gonna hurt Hannah.
Okay. Okay.
Slap her hard.
Yes. Okay.
Hannah's my favorite. Under someone else. Out of the sisters.
The Jarman sisters. Go again.
What's that look?
Go, Matt. Okay, hit me good, but not super good, okay?
Well, what's the point of that when I can see it on the screen?
Hit me good, but not really.
Y'all been holding hands a long time.
Stop it.
I'm trying to.
Your fingernails are really dirty.
Thanks, Hannah. Thanks a lot.
Go.
Oh, that sucked.
Can I do it?
Do
I
it.
slap better than you.
Whatever.
After this one, the main you're gonna do it.
I don't want to play. I don't want to have a hurt hand.
It's just a stinging hand.
No, because me and Hannah will get hard.
that.
Me and Hannah will start hitting hard.
Ready?
Oh. Matt.
I can't hit you anymore.
You give up?
I can't hit
You give up?
I can't hit you anymore.
Okay, he gives up. Now, Sarah, let's me and you play.
I'm not playing.
Why?
Come on, Aunt. All right.
Wait, let me see.
Did you call me Hannah?
No.